Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you the new lemon coast gacha banner in Heartopia. So this banner features a fun summer theme outfit collections like this. I think it's so cool. And there are two banners to choose, the female one and the male ones like this. And to pull on this banner, you will need a Moonlight Crystal. So make sure you have saved plenty of them. And don't worry too, you can get Moonlight Crystal for free to daily sign in on here. You can get the Moonlight Crystal on here, or you can also get it for free from the redeem codes. And if you are a premium player, you can get the Moonlight Crystal by buying it using hard diamonds. And in here, its banner comes with 3 different color variations: the green and blue and pink. And then in here, the best part is that if you are lucky enough to get the Moonlight special reward like this, the remaining items in that set will automatically unlock. And another great feature is that there are no duplicate rewards, so you only need up to 12 pulls to collect every item in banner. However, just keep in mind that the Moonlight Crystal cost increases with its pull. Like this, you can see it like this. The amount of Moonlight Crystal that you have every pulse, it will be increased. So you will need quite a lot of crystals on here. And if you are ready, just simply tap this button to start your gacha. And in here, before I successfully unlock the complete blue outfit, like this, it will look like this. It's so cool, it looks amazing. Like this, you can see it. And for the set, it looks like this. Like this, you can see it, it's so cool. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you!